that time of the year and Apple is back with another one of their launch events. And this time it's California streaming. While we've all seen truckload of the iPhone videos filling our sub boxes, including ours, in today's video, let's shift the focus towards the new iPads. Before we get to that, let's take a moment to acknowledge Apple's hypocrisy. Hey guys, I'm your host Ananthan and let's roll. There are two new iPads. Well, not new models exactly, but refreshes to the vanilla iPad and the iPad mini. Let's talk about the boring iPad first. The 9th generation iPad is the most affordable iPad you can get, and it is actually a good entry tablet if you want a no-frills tab for media consumption. The price starts at 30,900 for the base variant and goes up to 56,900 for the high-end variant. The 9th gen iPad retains the classic 10.2-inch display with the same thick bezels. There is nothing new on the design side of things. It's available in space gray and silver colors. The display gets some color love with the support for True Tone, which automatically changes the color temperature of the display according to the ambient lighting. We've already seen this on the previous Pros and Airs, but this is the first time we see it on the classic iPad. We still get a 20-watt power adapter in the box, but it's still sadly a lightning port carrying the power to the iPad. Additionally, you can always get an Apple Pencil, the folio case, and a smart keyboard and accessories to improve your iPad experience. Do note that the previous gen iPad didn't have support for the pencil and smart keyboard, so that's new. Now that we have seen what's outside, let's see what's packed inside the new iPad. It comes with the A15 Bionic Chip, which debuted in 2019. Apple, in true Apple fashion, says it performs 20% better than the previous gen iPad, so there is that. Unlike the CPU, the 9th gen iPad has the latest software running on it. It comes with the iPad OS 15 that Apple announced this year, so yay. You can multitask much better than before, and it is indeed the best tablet OS we have in the market right now. So no complaints here. Next up, we have the same 8MP camera to the back, but there is a 12MP ultra-wide selfie camera this time around. This camera is useful when using the center stage feature, where the camera digitally crops in and tracks the subject to keep them in frame all the time. Now let's jump to my favorite device from the entire event, the 6th gen iPad mini. This iPad mini is special. It's more of an iPad Pro mini than the latest gen iPad mini, if that makes sense to you. They have adopted the design language of the iPad Pro and the Air for this 6th gen iPad mini. It looks sleek with the squared off edges and rounded corners. The bezels are even, and with the 8.3-inch liquid retina display, it would be pretty comfortable to use for reading books and multimedia consumption on the go. It goes up to 500 nits by the way. The screen is considerably bigger than the previous gen minis, but the overall form factor should be the same with the narrower bezels. We have the latest A15 Bionic Chip running the show here on the iPad mini 6. It's just crazy that you can get such a powerful chip in a tablet for a starting price of around 45k. It's going to be one hell of a productivity tool. All that power through that big beautiful display in your palm. Can't wait to test this one out. Coming back, like the 9th gen iPad, this one too runs with the latest iPad OS 15. It also packs a new 5-core GPU, which Apple says is 80% faster than the previous generation mini to push all the beautiful frames out of the 8.3-inch display. We still have Touch ID here with the fingerprint scanner being integrated in the power button placed at the top, thanks to the narrower bezels in the front. The iPad mini still comes with stereo speakers and a magnetic connector on the side for connection with smart accessories. And finally, we have the Type-C port here on the iPad mini, which is a really welcome change. Now it's only the iPhones and the regular iPads still sporting the archaic lightning port. So come on Apple, seriously, it's been 2 videos now, so consider it, that's all. So the iPad mini seems like a bigger refresh than even their iPhones. I'm super excited about this and would likely pre-order one of these for my personal use. What about you guys? Do let us know in the comments below. While you are there, might as well hit the like and subscribe button as well. Anyways, that's all we have to say with respect to iPads. However, Apple did release a new Apple Watch as well, the Series 7. We now seem to have a 20% larger display as compared to the Series 6, largely due to the fact that the display is now curved to the edges. This looks really dope in my opinion. What's really interesting is that Apple claims up to 70% more brightness indoors than the last gen. I mean, that's a really sly way of saying that the peak brightness is still the same, but has the ability to be brighter indoors with the always on display. Big whoop Apple. What's not sly is the fact that they have managed to get the Series 7 IP6X certified for dust resistant, and the fact that they have managed to get the same shatter resistant glass from the iPhones to the Apple Watch as well. The Series 7 charges with the included USB-C plug, which is 33% faster, so Apple does see the benefits of USB-C. But that's a rant for another day. In real day numbers, that's 0 to 80% in 45 minutes and 8 hours of sleep tracking in 8 minutes of charge. Neat. The base variant of the Apple Watch Series 7 starts at $399 US. Okay, before we wrap this up, I want to know which product you are most excited for. Personally, we are super excited about the iPad mini. Do let us know if you agree. With that, we get to the end of this quick video. Until next time, this is Anandan from C4E Tech. Ciao.